The journey begins with empathy. In TwinSpace, students can step into interactive worlds where they interview characters, explore perspectives, and practice understanding the needs of others, no matter the subject. Next comes define. Learners organize ideas, analyze data, and clarify challenges. Whether through equations, digital notes, or collaborative discussions, they learn how to sharpen problems into clear goals. Then it's time to ideate. Students brainstorm, sketch, and visualize possibilities using holograms, 3D tools, and shared boards. In any room, collaboration fuels creativity. Finally, students prototype and test their ideas. They build digital models, interact with 3D objects, and refine their solutions. Every experiment brings them closer to real-world innovation. In Pythaverse TwinSpace, learning becomes empathy, creativity, and action learning. Reimagined with AI.